A very good morning, my dear student. I welcome you all to our online course. Uh, from last 3 days, we are talking about Langston Hughes' very beautiful composition. The Negro speaks of rivers. Uh, we saw in detail the beginning part of the poem, how Langston Hughes has tried to present his concerns with the civilization in which he was born and brought up, which is called as Negro civilization. He is quite proud for having belonging to that particular race, that particular community. Langston Hughes, through his poems, The Negro Speaks of Rivers, has tried to portray a beautiful picture of the civilization which was existed in the ancient period also, and now it is presented today. In the poem, he compares Negro civilization with the rivers. While comparing with the rivers, he is trying to put forth his views, his ideas. As the river is older, when the universe came into existence, from that particular point onwards, the rivers also exists. And as the human beings also came into existence with the civilization of the human being, the Negro civilization also started to be existed. Negro civilization is as older as the universe. Negro civilization is as older as nature. In the previous lecture, we completed, I think, first 4 or 5 lines in which he has compared with civilization with the rivers and has tried to tell us that he is also grown up like the deep rivers. He or I stands for the whole human being, for the whole community. The human community, the civilization is as deep as the rivers have. The rivers, the depth of the rivers we know. So the depth of the civilization is also rooted in the history in the past. The roots of the civilizations are rooted in the history in the past. The community, the civilization has experienced all the changes. It has witnessed all the developments which took place in the past. And while telling, in some lines he has mentioned the name of some rivers, Epithrates, Congo, Nile, etc. The Nile is the river, or the sorry, Congo is the river. At the bank of that particular river, the Negro community started to build their huts and they started to live there. They lived there on the bank of the river. They settled there. One more thing that he mentioned here, the pyramids. Pyramids, as I told you in the previous period lecture, that it is one of the 7 wonders in the world, the beautiful creation. Now, the who has worked actually in in the construction of the pyramids, who has built? The poet Langston Hughes tells us that the Negro people, the Negro persons, they worked their hard. They spent their sweat in order to construct, in order to build the pyramids. Now it stands as a wonder. So the poet is trying to tell us that this particular community has contributed a lot. No one can deny their contribution. Of course, because what is the reason behind glorifying these particular things? In the previous poem, we discussed, we saw how the Negro community was exploited by the white people. So that particular thing is torturing the poet, is paining the poet. A lot of pain is there in his mind, in his heart. What kind of pain? That they were exploited. They had not any kind of right. That's why the poet puts forth the views, the opinions, or the anger, whatever we can say, the hidden in the heart of the Negro people. He is here as the representative of the Negro community member. So he says that the pyramids also were built by the Negro people. Some few lines remain here. I looked upon the Nile and raised the pyramids above it. I heard the singing of Mississippi when Abraham Lincoln went down to New Orleans, and have seen its muddy bosom turn all golden in the sunset. Mississippi is the river Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of USA, who belongs to Negro community, who struggled a lot to give the right to the Negro people. Abraham Lincoln tried to bring the Negro people from the depth of the darkness. They were rooted in the darkness, and she tried to bring out of that particular desert. He fought, he struggled for the right of the Negro people. Mississippi is the river, it is very important from the historical point of view. Mississippi is the river through which Abraham Lincoln traveled to that particular place where the Negro people were sold, the trading of the buying and selling would take place at that particular point, that particular place. When he came to know that such kind of trading is happening there, he travels, he goes to that particular place through the Mississippi River. The journey of the cleaning, excuse me, yeah. I heard the singing of Mississippi when Abraham Lincoln went down to New Orleans. So Abraham Lincoln went there, and deliberately he is mentioning that particular incident in this particular poem. He is trying to tell us that how the people fought for the freedom, how the leaders fought for the right of the Negro people. So Mississippi is historically it is very important place, remember, because this is the river by which he travels there, and he fought and he saw there such kind of trading was going on there, and he stopped it. This is the incident that he mentioned here. I have seen its muddy bosom turn all golden in the sunset. The merge, the water becomes golden. Actually, the water doesn't become, turns into the gold, remember. It is symbolic, remember. I have known rivers. Again, the first line is repeated here. I have known rivers. It means that we are old. We are as older as the rivers, and we know the whole journey of the people, and we witness, we traverse through the flow of the rivers, ancient, dusky rivers. Which rivers? Which is ancient, which is older, the dusty rivers, and we all have seen all these things, my dear. And he says that the we, I, here he refers, the word I stands for the whole community, that we are the part of the community, we are the part of the society, we are as older as you. With these beautiful two lines, he concludes the poem. I have known rivers, ancient, dusky rivers. I hope you might have been understood the poem very well, very well. I would like to stop here. If you have any difficulty, problem, so you communicate with me on my personal mobile numbers, as you have my mobile number or WhatsApp number. I would like to stop here. We will continue in the next period. Thank you.